Ring muscle up, slow eccentric transition. Eccentric muscle up training is essential to mastering the ring muscle up. Learning how to move the body around the rings and understanding how the rings rotate during the transition are the key ingredients for ring muscle ups. Set the rings to a height that allows you to jump into the ring support position with the rings turned out. From here, lower to the bottom of the ring dip by taking the shoulders forward of the rings. Feel the weight of the body pressing into the rings. The aim is to keep the weight in the rings and not allow the weight to shift behind the rings as you work through the transition. If your body weight moves behind the rings, you will simply fall through the transition, and this is not what you want. From the bottom of the dip, start to lower the elbows back and down with control. The body should not move, only the arms are moving. Keep the feet and knees together with the legs straight and the feet slightly in front of the rings. As the elbows move around the rings will start to rotate with the pinky fingers turning out, which allows a secure false grip to occur when the rings move under the wrists as the elbows pass the parallel point. Try to keep the rings touching the torso. The knuckle of the thumbs should trace a line from the side of the pec, under the pec, and all the way around to the sternum as we move from the dip through the transition and to the top of the pull-up with the rings in front of the body. Notice how the hands move from being inside the rings at the bottom of the dip to being outside the rings with a false grip at the top of the pull-up. The rings will rotate 180 degrees during the muscle-up transition. The aim is to show full control throughout the transition and have no grey areas where the tension is lost. If you can keep your body weight balanced over the rings, understand how the elbows move around the rings and how the rings rotate during the transition, you are well on the way to mastering the ring muscle up.